The lesson today I'm about to teach is aimed at BTEC Level 3 Performance and Excellence course. The group that I'm going to be taking are a second year group of footballers from the Football Academy. The unit we're covering today is going to be sports injuries. Previously, building up to this, we've been looking at the intrinsic and extrinsic effects of injury. We've looked a little bit about the psychological factors of injury and how that affects athletes. And today we're going to take it one stage further, look at some common injuries. And the most common one for the footballers, which we think would be most applicable, is the ankle inversion injury. So the way that we're going to approach it today is to put them into little teams, get them to do a little research independently, and then we're going to bring them and to teach all the other groups their bit of research that they've found. So we're going to cover things from the initial signs and symptoms of an injury, running onto a field and assessing the injury itself. We're going to look at the anatomy of an ankle so they understand what the ligaments are and what their role is, and then we're going to have a look at a different type of treatment we can use, and in this case today we're going to have a look at cryotherapy using a cryo cuff and ice.
Yeah, that's lovely. Nice and tight, yeah, Ches. This keeps it obviously tight. Stop there. Free movable.
This is just at the top. If you mark that, and on the foot you can tell it's not actually here. So if it was there, it would be roughly around there, and the anterior tibiofibular ligament would be there, and that's just has the flexion of the foot, and this just supports the ankle. So that's all you need to know about the ligaments, and it's all on the sheet.
Yeah? Can you feel it? Yeah. Tight, yeah? Nice and cold as well. And then if you want to...
Okay, so now we're going to get them to draw it, right?
And then they can walk like that,
And
then...
Oh, draw it now. On a real ankle.
So... Oh, Paul, how do you lift this up?
Really close there? Yeah, it's just like...
Yeah, it's for like...
Why do you think we're going to draw it?
So we can lay down...
What's that called?
So you can
Rice.
What does
rice stand for?
Rice, R is like rest, I is for eyes, C is for compression, and E is for elevation.
I'll show you my ligaments.
And then to get the water back in, just connect it back up, take it off obviously once it's been done. Careful. Yeah, you feel much better.
Okay.
And then the water, that's obviously got to be out, and then the water can go back in. Ready for the next person.
Guys, any of you had cryo cuff treatment before? Yeah. Really, really good. Good. You know, you can. Yeah. The beauty of it is, I mean, you can just unclip it. You can be at home and you can get around still. Yeah, you don't do it now. There are knee ones. There are elbow, ankle, back, thigh. There's not a groin. No. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's a lot. That's it, so now what do we do next? Brilliant, then what do we do? That's alright, that's just what's in the end of the tube, that's fine. Yeah? Excellent, well done mate. Well done.
Nice and cold, yeah?
Okay.